Greetings, Earthlings. Here's your quiz for whatever sections we are in Chapter 7. Doesn't really matter. So, number 1, 2, and 3. Really follow me very closely on how we're going to do this, okay? So, for number 1, all we need to do is focus on this triangle right here, okay? All you got to do is focus on that. And this is a right angle, which means he's pointing to the hypotenuse. We know two sides of the triangle, so this would be C. We want to know what BD is. That's what they want us to find. So let's call this side A. This is side B. So plug us into the Pythagorean theorem of A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay? So here's your A squared, B squared, 9, C squared is 15. Plug them in and solve for A. Okay? Question number 2, they want us to find AD, which is this part right here of this triangle. Okay? So, what we're going to do is let's bust out the eraser here for a second. Whatever answer you got in number 1, whatever you got for BD, okay, you're going to need that. Right now, just for the fun of it, to reference, I'm going to call him X. Okay? We have to make a proportion. All right? So we're going to go long leg over short leg. So that's X over Y, or X over 9, I'm sorry, is equal to, we want to know what AD is. We'll call him Y, and he was long leg, again, over short leg, which is X. So whatever answer you got for number 1, plug that in here and here. Okay? And then cross multiply and solve for Y. That'll give you AD. Okay? Then, got to erase again. Once you found, so you found a number for BD, you found a number for AD, okay? There's the right angle right here, so he's pointing to side C. You simply want to do Pythagorean theorem, so this would be A squared plus B squared equals C squared, okay? So you're going to plug those all in. So each one helps out the next problem. So don't mess up in number 1 or it'll mess you up for all 3. Okay, if you have questions, ask. Okay, numbers 4, 5, and 6. Remember your rules. If the sides are the same, these are both 7, that means these angles are the same. It means this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Now I'm going to write over here to the side, again, the rules. If it's a 45, 45, 90, each side is the same, and the hypotenuse is the leg times radical 2. Okay? If it's a 30, 60, 90, like it is in number 5, that's a 30, 60, 90. Here's my 60. Here's my 30. The side opposite the 30 is the smallest side. That's the short leg. To get the long leg, you take the short leg times radical 3. And to get the hypotenuse, you just take the short leg times 2. Okay? And pay attention here. They're giving you the long leg first. So to get the long leg, we took the side, a short times radical 3. So what's the opposite of multiplying by radical 3? You do that to get the short leg. And then multiply it by 2 to get the hypotenuse, which would be your Y. Number 6 is a 45, 45, 90. So they give you this hypotenuse. That's 12 right there, okay? So you need to, remember, to get the hypotenuse, they took the side times radical 2. So what's the opposite of multiplying by radical 2? We have to go backwards. That's right. Okay, so you got to take 12 and divide it by radical 2. Okay? And remember, you're not allowed to have a radical in the bottom, so you got to multiply the top and the bottom by radical 2. Now you try to finish it from there. That's the end of the quiz. Make sure you write your answers on the lines, and have a great rest of your day.